Patrol here. Sorry about my mess. Nope. I got me a washer and I got me a dryer. Well, there's a problem with my dryer. It doesn't work. You can see here, we turn it on, nothing fucking happens. So I totally removed the back plate. It is a Whirlpool Estate electric. Now, let me pull it out for you. Yes, it's unplugged. That's one of the reasons why it didn't start. But another reason, because of this little device. Let me get a flashlight, actually, so I can do that here. Just take a walk up my beautiful steps I have fell down countless times. To my messy room in the middle of the cleaning, right where I left it. Yeah, right where I left it. I'm in the middle of cleaning, a lot of work. Beautiful picture. Not so beautiful, is it? Okay. There we are. We're back now. Let's get our butts down on the floor. Now, if you can see right here, this is called a thermal fuse. It is still unplugged. Now, there's a piece of copper wire on it. I did that myself. Put that copper wire on there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. There's the copper wire. We'll go ahead and see if we can get it to start here without my copper wire piece on there. So, as you can see, no bullshit. And obviously my breakers in here are working, or else my wash machine would not be running. Alright, now let's go ahead and let's click the button. Nothing. Make sure the doors are closed all the way. Nothing. If you listen, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's trying to. It is trying to start right now. Let's go ahead and unplug it. Don't want to touch none of this stuff without it. So right here, like I pointed at, that's the thermal fuse. Now the thermal fuse is for here. When it gets too hot, it blows the fuse, which means you have a problem with your venting. You're gonna have to vacuum this bitch out, clean it all up, just in case. And also, running on a bypass is not that great of an idea. I suggest buying the fuse. I'm gonna buy the fuse. It's only fucking $1, so why trip over a damn $1 versus burning your fucking house down? I mean, I'd rather pay $1 than burn my house down. So let's go ahead, remove these two blue wires right there connected to the thermal fuse. As you can see, I have them unplugged. Take your little copper wire, set it down right here. I don't know if you can see it, but take your copper wire and you want to hook it to the blue wires in any fashion whatsoever, as long as it is making a solid connection. Now, as you can see, it makes a connection right there. They're not hooked to the thermal fuse no more. Making a solid connection. This is running on a bypass. Whatever the fuse inside here is broken, which is just a wire between these two. So make your own fuse. Put a wire right there, bypass. Now let's go ahead and plug it back in. Now, not a smart idea. Also, you want to be highly careful, because if I touch this, I'm going to shock the piss out of myself. It's going to hurt. So as I'm walking out of here, I want to be very careful. Now, make sure the dryer door is shut all the way. Go ahead. What do you know? Thermal fuse was the problem. Now, go ahead and shut it off. Don't run it on a fucking bypass. Have I ran it on a bypass? Yes. Just because I needed to figure out if it was the thermal fuse. Now what you want to do in my next video, I will show you what you can do next on how to prevent this. As you can see, my lint trap is out. You're going to want to completely take this apart and clean it. I've already done that. I've already taken out the vent, taken out the blower, and cleaned it all out, vacuumed it. I haven't cleaned up here or nothing, but that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and unplug this thing again, but thank you for watching, guys, and it's been Let's Troll.